Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Designing a bathroom isn't just about fixtures and fittings. Your tiling will make up a vast majority of the visual impact of your bathroom, shower room or wet room, influencing the sense of space, the atmosphere and the design. It is important to take the time to choose the right tiles for your luxury bathroom. After all, it is not as if you can quickly and easily swap them if you change your mind. Within any bathroom, the choice of tile often can be the making or breaking point of the bathroom design, and they can tie together all of the elements within a room or can cause a problematic break to the flow of the design if not coordinated properly. Porcelain and stone tiles can be used on multitude of surfaces within luxury bathroom project and can impose an element of color or blend harmoniously within the room color scheme. Using strong but subtle color tones is an elegant and simple way to add to the ambience of a master and suite project or perhaps a wellness steam room area. Tile and decor tiles can be used as a single injection of color, or you can combine them with other focal points of color combination through a high-end project to create a harmonious color palette. If strong color is not your vision, you can consider using more natural tone tiles with perhaps a texture or a unique shape to bring your room to life. Natural tile can add a timeless element to your bathroom or wellness project, drawing attention to the feature of the room while still contributing to the overall aesthetics without being overpowering. There are several other types of tiling to choose from, an almost endless array of sizes, shapes and color. The tiles you select will depend on the style of your interior design, your color scheme, your choice space and your bathroom fixtures. If you have already decided on them, you may find out that you fall in love with the tiling scheme first and fitting follow. The way you use your tile can affect the light and sense of the space in your bathroom. For example, using reflective tile surfaces help to bounce light around the room, while long horizontal tiles help to make wall appear wider. It is important to choose the right sort of tiles for your requirement, as different varieties have different properties that may dictate what sort of fixtures you use. Ceramic tiles are composed of clay, water and minerals and are made by baking in a kiln. This type of tiles come in an enormous range of styles and colors, but can be fragile and porous if unglazed. The right kind of glaze not only affect the final finish and look of the tile, but provide a certain amount of absorption, prevention and strengthen the tile against breaking and chipping. Ceramic tiles can be range in price but are usually cheaper choice over other tiling options. Porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles are long lasting and more hard wearing than ceramic tiles as they are denser. The coloring of porcelain tiles goes all the way through rather than simply being painted onto the surface, so the tones tend to be fuller and richer. It is a benefit if you do end up chipping a tile, as it won't be noticeable as it would be on a ceramic tile. Of course, all these aspects make porcelain tiles a little more expensive, but in terms of quality and longevity, the price is usually worth it. Mosaic tiles. Mosaic tiles allow you to create an intricate effect or pattern in a range of colors and styles. Although square are most commonly variety, it is also possible to find mosaic tile in other shapes including octagon, hexagon, rectangle and triangle. Some mosaic tiles come pre-mounted onto mesh for ease of application, but this can limit the configuration option when you are using several different color tiles. Mosaic provide a striking feature in any bathroom, though it's best to use them minimal if you have chosen the right bright or bold color, reserving them for a bath, backsplash or shower area. Marble tiles. Marble is traditional and versatile stone that works beautifully for luxury bathroom tiling. It is natural composition means that each tile will have its own variation and unique imperfections which help to create a one of a kind look. Marble is available in several different tones and is suitable for other surfaces as well as tiling. For example, a worktop for a basin cabinet or window seat. Natural stone tiles. Aside from marbles, there are a variety of other natural stone tiling options, including granite, slate, travertine, onyx, and sandstone. All of these have their own unique appearance and colors, from stunning purple slate to creamy travertine. Granite is a fantastic choice for both bathroom and kitchen and is most commonly used for luxury kitchen worktop. Granite bathroom style are naturally antibacterial and are not damaged by water, making them perfect for any heavy use in a wet room, for example. Sandstone has a grainy surface and feels warmer to the touch than any other tiles, making it ideal for bathroom flooring to give an inviting rustic appeal. Perhaps you like the idea of tile accent on the wall but are looking for a little more drama than a small border will provide. In that case, you can tile the entire bathroom wall. You can completely change the look of a room, especially a small bathroom, by adding tile from floor to ceiling. Your eye will naturally be drawn to the pattern and elegance of the focal wall at the up to the ceiling, making the room appear larger than it actually is, no matter the design. And speaking of design, you can cover that wall in a subway, tile, glass porcelain, marble stone, wood grain, or brick. Let your imagination run wild because you can be sure that there is a tile or even better a combination of tile out there for you. Patterned bathroom tile floors are all the rage right now and it's no wonder why they are beautiful. They give a room high-end designer look and they are no harder to install than plain tile. Plus, while they look like they would be a pricey custom order supply, they are available at Box Hardware store for budget conscious renovators. They work well in bathroom both large and small and come in a multitude of options to fit any decor or palette. Like any bathroom, you have also to consider the floor and wall design. Use the neutral color that maintains the airiness of the bathroom. One area where you can create a unique style is the back wall, which you can use as the focus of your bathroom as a whole. For instance, a nice stone mosaic back wall draws your attention to it immediately you set foot on your shower bathroom. As for the floor, ceramic, stone, glass tiles are popular because they are waterproof. You can either choose a neutral color tile that keeps up the overall minimal style of your bathroom or go for a unique eye-catching design to complement an equally attention-commanding brick wall. Finally, consider the role accessories play in the overall style and feel of your bathroom. Circular shower heads create a warm traditional feel while square rainfall shower heads give the bathroom a more fantastic and futuristic feel. Other accessories to consider include a soap dish, grab bar, a corner seat and a spa-style bench for a larger walk-in shower. Beautiful bathroom, one and all, and each with a completely different style that has been enhanced by the addition of new tile. Whether you completely replace your tile with something fresh or choose to paint older surface to revive them, it's a surefire way to update your master or guest bathroom and increase the value of your home. Which one of these bathroom ideas you would try in your bathroom? Leave it in the comment box. Friends, hope you like this video on modern bathroom design, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future update. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website Interior Decor Designs. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care. And you can watch the video that is shown to you.